Since I just fought a person who could kill me in one hit, that was bullshit, I'm gonna have to call out a certain helper. Because there's no way in hell I'm gonna be able to fight that bitch by myself. I also like that these monsters have not respawned. As he says, as one of them just comes fucking trolling after me. Bollocks! Please don't do frenzy damage or poison. Fuck off! Fuck off! Oh, bollocks. I'm trying to fucking back away from you and I can't. I just realised one of those fucking things is gonna end up having my echoes. Pack that shit in, son. Bloody hit these things. What do they do? Oh no, I missed this. Sandwiches. What? No. Oh, it's that thing. Can I sneak up on it? How the hell did it not even hear me fighting? That's what I want to know. Oh, you can't. Oh god, I really have to keep fighting this thing for like half an hour. Hang on. Okay, I'm back here again. None of the monsters had my echoes, so clearly they're still up here with this mad bitch. I'm just gonna have to grab them and hope she doesn't come for me. Oh shit. I'll get her to follow me. That's like the one thing I can't do. Holy fuck, that damage. Ow! That shouldn't even have been hitting me! Go, 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 go. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, Jesus, she can't come up here. Holy fuck. That's great. I just don't even know what I should do right now. Oh, fuck. I really don't. I don't even know if I should go after her, try to kill her, get her done with. Or if I should just go after this, go into that portal where I don't know where it goes to. I still want to know what's in that chest. Where did she go? Oh, there she is. Just fucking try to hide from me, bitch. Oh, oh fuck, I thought she was actually about to climb up. Okay, this time I can't go anywhere. She's like literally just waiting for me to go down. Okay, where is she this time? I don't see her. Where the fuck are you? Are you in the bottom floor? I think she is. I don't see her. Oh, there she is, she was. I can't go anywhere. She's too OP. Oh, there's where she's gonna go. Fuck this. I'm gonna go somewhere else. That boss can wait. If it is a boss. Nope, wrong one. gonna end the video in a few seconds. There was a guy that told me to go to the cathedral, and that's where I'm gonna go because fuck it, why not? So I'll be doing that in the next episode, or the next part of the episode. So see you there.